Hello everyone, myself Priyanshu Gupta. I'm a master student here at IIT Guwahati. This video is about quick demonstration of the Chrome extension that I made recently. This is a time management and productivity enhancement tool. That's why I named it at ProHancer that you can see on the screen. The link to my GitHub repo will be provided in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Make sure you do check that out. You can download that as well, and if you go to the Chrome extensions developer mode and click on load unpacked, you can also add this extension in your extension box. I have added the same. Let's quickly jump into the video. If you click on this icon, you will see this dialog box where this live watch is going on. It is 11:47 PM in my watch and this watch is showing exactly the same. If you click on this hourglass, you will see this stopwatch. Suppose I create a stopwatch of 20 seconds and start now. And meanwhile, I get some other important work and I cannot do this work anymore, but I don't want to give it more than 20 seconds. So I pause it. So after 10 seconds, I have paused it. So remaining 10 seconds will be allotted to this task when I come back and resume it. Suppose now I resume it. You can see the countdown has been started again, and we will see hear a sound again. Let's see. I have reset it. We can also use reset now to permanently cancel that task. So if you click on this next icon of bell icon, you will see a reminder there. Suppose I want to get a reminder of 11:50 PM, maybe drink water and create a new reminder. Yeah, so after 1 minute I will get a prompt notification with an alarm sound. Okay, so we have got the notification. If we click on OK, we will also, yeah, we heard this sound. Suppose we created a lot of reminders and we can manually cancel that. Okay, suppose we create a lot of reminders and we want to clear all, we can also do this in one click only. If we click on this next icon, checkboxes, we will see this to-do list or task list where we can create any task. Suppose I am working on some project, I can add that to my list. Add task and done. Suppose I want to participate in some contest, I can run contest and add it. And anything that you want to add, you can add that. And if they are in the list, it will mean that their tasks are ongoing. Suppose you have completed second task, so you can click here and you will hear this victory kind of sound saying that okay, you have got a sort of victory over that task and you have successfully completed that task. Yep. If you add some task, you will see here the numbers of ongoing tasks. If I click 1 as done, the number will be reduced to 1 only, and if I come out of it, the number will show me that okay, these many ongoing tasks are there. Last but not the least, if I click on this ban or block icon, I will see this dialog box where I can simply put any website. Like I spend a lot of time on Facebook and I want that I do not use Facebook during my working hour. So I can put Facebook, I can put Instagram, and I check this box and save. Yeah, done. Now if I go to new tab and write facebook.com, the tab is automatically closed. If I go and type instagram.com, the tab is closed. But if I go and write google.com, it was opened successfully because I have not created that in my list. My list consists of these two websites only, and these two websites will not be accessed until I click clear them. So suppose if I want to use Instagram now, I can clear that, save it, I can come back and type instagram.com. So yeah, that's all this extension is all about. If you like this extension, you can download that from the source code. Also, if you want to get a overview only, I have also provided a link in my readme file. You can just check that out on my GitHub. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.